Hello, everyone. Today is day 305. Yes, sorry, 304. I'm flying right now. And today I'm going to be telling you how to integrate Google Analytics to your website. So this website is a newly built website. I think we have that on day 302. So we want to implement Google Analytics for tracking across social media and every other thing to this website. So what you need to do is to make sure that you have a Google Analytics account ready. From your Google Analytics account, you'll be able to create a property if you have an account ready. If you don't have an account ready, you need to create both account and property at the same time. I'm going to show you what that means so you understand what I'm talking about. So once you have a website right now, the next thing you need to do is you go to the cPanel. So for the purpose of this class, these videos, the purpose of this video, we're going to be working with this website, which is an HTML CSS website. So if you are looking for how to implement Google Analytics for WordPress, this might not be for you. So this might not be a video for you. So there will be another video on that later. So go to the control panel of the website. So let me do that now. I'm going to pause the video while I'm logging into the cPanel of the website. Okay. So once you get to the cPanel of the website, just like this right now, you're going to have this file manager. So you're going to have the cPanel, just go to file manager straight. From file manager straight here, you go to public_HTML. That's where you have all your live, the live files. So now all the pages that you want to track, you are going to actually implement this. So I'm going to do it for this video for index, then I'm going to do for other pages later so that our video will not be too long. So once you get to the index, which is the home page of the website, like this, the target is to locate where you have HTML open and HTML head tag open and close. This is an HTML website, like I said, it's not a WordPress. So to know the head tag, instead of looking for it, I know what the head tag is. Head tag is this, open here and close here. So in between the head tag, that's where you need to put it. So in the case you have so much code, you can just do Control F, then type where the head tag close, hit enter. So it's going to tell you that on line 21, that's why you have the head tag. So this is appropriate place to actually do that. So now that you know where to implement the code on the website, the next thing to do is, even if once you have Gmail account, you can use Google Analytics. Just go to google.com/analytics. From google.com/analytics, click sign into analytics. So once you click sign into analytics, sign in with your Gmail account. If you have one Gmail account, two Gmail account, even the one that you are using to collaborate, whatever, just have a Gmail account. That's the main thing. So I talk about, if you are doing this for the first time, you are going to create an account and property. If you have an existing account, so look here now. So there's two different Gmail here. Shey.5ng@gmail.com, smartgadon@gmail.com. So this particular one, this first one, has account before. So how do you know? So if you come to the admin here, admin, you see some already, can you see create account? Some already existing accounts here. So these are existing accounts, right? This is account, these are properties. So inside one account, you can have as many as possible property to track different kinds of things, right? So because there's two accounts, if I click this one out, you see all the property there. Meaning I can always create a new property, and that's why it's active, because there's an account already, like two accounts on this one. So if I should go to this particular one, so I've never created any account with this other account, with this other Gmail. What I've used this particular Gmail account to do is to collaborate with other clients' Google Analytics. So like you have a client that they've already implemented Google Analytics. You don't want to be asking them for their username and password while you want to manage their website for them. All they have to do is to add you as a collaborator. So that is what happened to this account. Meaning, if I click on this admin now, property is not active because there's not even an account in the first place. So do you understand the difference between both clearly now? But for the purpose of this training, I actually want to use this to create the account. So, and if you are doing this for the first time too, you are going to have the same experience. So you might not even need to come and click admin. So you automatically have a form to fill, which in the process that's created an account and property for you. So this is what I mean. So the form you have is actually this, right? Which you are going to tell the name of the account. So I'll call this ARC for Niger. So if you are doing this for the first time, this is similar. This is the similar form that I'm going to see. So what I'm just doing right now is creating an account, right? So look at the property now. If I have an account before, I will not need to do this. So I'll just create a property direct. So creating a property now. So what's the property name? So I can also say Arc for Nigeria, right? Then the country, so definitely Nigeria. Where's that? Yeah. So Nigeria. Let's say we want to track in dollar. Next. So here now, like I said, you are creating an account and just want to know some little thing about your. Let me just do science. So let me just take science. But again, if you couldn't find your industry, right? So you can just choose other. So most times you might not see the exact related industry. So I say science, employee, it's actually a small business. So this is just for them to have a kind of data for survey, which they can push out. So what do you want to customer engagement of the website, data across platform. This is basically for this right now. So I'll also create. So by doing this now, I've created, okay, by doing this now, just agree, then create. So you have created an account, right? So now what do you want to measure? App, iOS, or Android, web. You want to measure web. So for this web that we want to measure right now, so I'm going to put the website name. Arc. So you don't need to do www already. So you just do arc for Niger.com. Okay, arc for Niger.com. Stream arc for Niger. This should be H capital. Then play this so you can measure all this, right? So it's creating that now. So you have this. So now that we have created an account and property, so let's go copy the code to the website. So if you have been doing this before, the interface has totally changed big time. So what you just need to do is after you have done that, you know you have a property called Act for Nigeria. So from here on the property, click Setup Assistance. From Setup Assistant, you can see Tag Installation. So just click the arrow, Tag Installation. Then you will see the property that you created earlier. You can see no data received in the last 48 hours because it's not yet implemented on the website. So that will just click this now. So like I see, so you can measure click, scroll, advan, and more. These are search. These are all the things you can measure. They are new stuff, but I felt this is a long process really, but it's okay. So you click this global tag, then copy this, and there's an instruction here, copy it and paste it in your head tag, right? Head tag. So copy this code as the first item in the head tag, okay, of every page you want to measure. So for this purpose of this video, again, I'm only going to do this once, then I will do that on every other pages. So you can just click here instead of highlighting this. Now let's go back to our web page. Consider our web page. So They are saying I can put it here, but I will just put it here. It's still working. That's what I can tell you. Right? So in as much as in between the L tag. So once you save this now, for example, for the page. So now if you want to check either, so you can close this string. If you want to check either this is working or not, go to the read time, right? So on the read time now, you can see we have 0 here. So I will open the website right now, do as if from a read time, right? So this is like a first visit. So I just refresh the website. So let's check here. Say desktop, you can see 1, right? 1, and it's saying desktop. So this is how to implement it. So if you have not implemented it, you're not seeing it. I love this snapshot. Yeah, this view. I like it. That Nigeria, for the fact that they consider the local places. So you know, I love the way that I'm seeing Okeodan, Owode, Ojodu, Ikorodu. This is nice. Yeah. So guys, that is how to actually implement Google Analytics on the website. Thank you.